going to pick on Google specifically because they're known for this. They love two things. They love pages that have longevity, meaning they've been around for a while, and they love pages that change. And that's both ends of the spectrum. They love pages that are changing constantly, but they love pages that have been there forever. And so trying to get that good mix between the two things is tough. And you're right, SEO is more of a long game. It takes time. On average, what you do today on your website, the search engines will catch sometime within the next 2 to 3 months, maybe even 6 months sometimes. So it can take some time. One thing that you can do, especially if you're just starting out, and I'm gonna say that terrible word advertising. So Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever it might be. I would do Facebook over Google, although it's getting difficult. If you notice, and most people probably are noticing this, fewer and fewer people are seeing your posts on Facebook. Seems like no matter what you do, even when you boost it, fewer people are seeing it. Facebook is really tamping that down because they're realizing that if they can make you pay for it, then they get more money from it. And so you can do Facebook ads, but at the same time, everyone else is realizing this too. So Facebook ads don't have the weight that they used to have. We're not getting the return on investment that we used to get. Google ads get a better return on investment, but they're so much more expensive. That's the tough part. You could spend $20, $30 a month on Facebook and you'd be spending maybe even 2 to 300 on Google. That's how big the difference is. But there's this little known area, because it's a little bit more difficult, is YouTube ads. Right now, YouTube ads are costing less than Facebook ads. And so you can get a YouTube ad for 20 or 30 cents per person that views it, where Facebook is going to be $1 or $2. Sometimes YouTube ads are even 2 to 3 cents per person that uses it. So YouTube ads are a great resource right now. They may not be for long, but right now they are. Creating the video is a lot of work because you got to create it well. But at the same time, here's the thing: you want to create it well, but you don't want it to look too professional. You make it look too professional, then people just go, "Oh, that's another ad." If you have a well created video, but you do it on your phone and it's moving a little bit while you do it, for some reason it attracts people more than the professional ads do.